Do you eat flaxseed? Do you know its benefits? Flaxseed is the richest vegetable source of omega-3, and its benefits can be enjoyed through golden or brown flaxseed. It is important to grind the seeds before eating them since our intestines can't digest them whole. Some of its benefits are: improves constipation because it is rich in fiber that facilitates the bowel movements, helps control blood sugar thanks to its fiber that prevents sugar from being absorbed too fast, lowers cholesterol because it is rich in fiber and omega-3, which reduces the bad cholesterol, helps with weight loss due to its fiber, which increases the sensation of satiety and curbs the appetite, lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases since it controls the cholesterol levels and reduces fat absorption by the intestine, reduces inflammations thanks to its omega-3, reduces PMS and menopause symptoms since it has good amounts of isoflavone, phytosterols, and lignin, which regulate female hormones. For better results, golden flaxseed is preferred since it is richer in nutrients than the brown version, especially in omega-3. Besides, you should always eat them ground up. Did you know that? So when buying flaxseed, opt for the seeds, not byproducts like the oil or the flour. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. To prepare your flaxseed correctly, grind the seeds in a grinder, blender, or food processor. You can only eat flaxseed flour up to 24 hours after making it. Make sure you eat your ground flax seeds up to 24 hours after production so your body can receive the nutrients in their best form. But now you must be asking yourself, how much should I eat? The correct amount of flaxseed for adults is estimated to be around 1.9 ounces or 3 tablespoons a day. For children, the maximum amount is 0.63 ounces, 1 tablespoon a day. Children under 6 can't eat flaxseed. It is worth noting that since it has lots of fiber, flaxseed powder needs water to be correctly diluted and absorbed by the intestine, so make sure you drink at least 67 ounces of water a day to avoid chronic digestion issues. In this case, it is best to talk to a nutritionist or gastroenterologist beforehand. Now tell us, did you already know that flaxseed needs to be ground before eating, and that it should be consumed in up to 24 hours? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.